of people say to me, one of the biggest things with this is the fact that if that valve goes inside with bleach, silicon, or various different debris which goes down a system. So I'm just going to show you actually how it's constructed. This can be put in a kettle of boiling water and it can boil away, no effect whatsoever within the product. Put back together again. Comes an 1.5 inch, 1.25 inch, and I've said to you already, and 2 inch, and various permutations like the MacTuns for PRV and pressure relief valves.